So here you can see this is our UniBook mini station, and obvious by its name, you can see it's very compact in size, and you can put it on any surface that you have in your library, and by that you can change the height of the station, of the access to the station. And let's look at what it looks like actually. So here you can see it has the audio output for the audio guide, and here we have a little door. By this door and using the keys you can access the insides of the station, and here you can see we have the receipt paper, so you can be safe and sure that nobody is gonna access the insides of the station without your supervision. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how the UniBook mini station works. So basically, if you're gonna have a library card, you're gonna put it inside right here, and after that you're gonna click my account, and then the station is gonna read the information that is on your library card, and it's gonna identify you. So for example, if I just came in to this library and I want to take some books, so I'm gonna grab some books and I'm gonna click borrow, and I'm gonna put them inside, 2 at once, and you can see now the station can see what kind of books I have here, and it indicates that I can borrow them now. So I'm gonna click borrow, and the process is done. For example, I want to have a receipt about this. I'm gonna click receipt. So I've read all my books and now I want to return them back to the library. So I came back to the library and I'm gonna click return. I'm gonna put both of my books inside. I'm gonna click return. Now the station can offer you an extra feature. You can rate the books that you've read, and for example, I want to have a receipt about this operation. I'm gonna click receipt. I'm gonna have the receipt. I can see the books that I have, the date, the time, and that I returned them back to the library. And I'm gonna click done, and so this is it, the process is done. So for example, I took some books from the library, but I didn't have enough time to read them. So I'm gonna go back to the library to renew them. Now I'm gonna click my books or renew. Here I can see what books I have on my account currently. And for example, I didn't have time to read the second one, so I'm gonna click it right here and I'm gonna click renew. So the process is done. Again, I can print a receipt about this, and here we can see that I renewed this book. So also here you can see on the screen our station has some additional information for the readers. Here you can choose the size of the font that you want. We have 3 different sizes. In this corner you can choose any of the available languages, and you can also choose any number of them actually to have on your station. And the last one is that we have here the manual for the station. So if there are any kind of problems or issues with operating with the station, you can check out this manual. And as you can see, we have 5 languages available on this station for now, but you can add any number of them. Interesting feature about our UniBook stations is that they can remember the settings of each reader of this library. So now you can see the default language of our station that we have here is Russian, and also the setting of the font is medium. But now I'm gonna put my library card inside and we're gonna see what settings I had the last time. So you can see the station automatically switched to English language, and also now it has the biggest font. So this is also very helpful for the readers of the library.